Now let's continue with activity number 2. Grammar notes. Forming compound adjectives. Compound adjectives are made up of 2 or more words. When a compound adjective comes before a noun, there is usually a hyphen between the words. For example, a drone is a remote-controlled vehicle. Here you have the hyphen. When the adjectives come after the noun, a hyphen is not necessary. For example, the drone is remote controlled. Copy these grammar notes in your notebook, and then let's continue with the next. Now, copy this vocabulary list for the lesson 1, topic 8, compound adjectives. Repeat after me. Number 1, computer control. 2, cutting edge. 3, decision making. 4, forward thinking. 5, high rise. 6, human-like. 7, mass produced. 8, remote control. 9, self-driving. 10, self-sufficient. 11, three-dimensional. 12, world changing. Copy the list in your notebook, please. Okay, when you finish, I wanted you to copy the definitions for each concept and the sentence that I put as an example. Number 1, computer control. That means controlled by a computer. Look at the example. The school has a computer-controlled greenhouse. Number 2, cutting edge. The most recent or advanced. For example, the phone update includes some cutting-edge innovation. 3, decision making. Describing a process during which decisions are made. For example, the government's decision-making process is complicated. Number 4, forward thinking. In favor of innovation and development. For example, the company I work for isn't very forward thinking. 5, high rise. Okay, here we're talking of a building having many floors. For example, we live in a high-rise apartment building. Number 6, human-like. Having the nature or appearance of a human. For example, our teacher is actually a human-like robot. Okay, pause this video or download your PowerPoint presentation and copy the definition with the sentences. Now, let's go with the rest of your sentences. 7, mass produced. That means manufactured in very large quantities by machines. For example, mass-produced goods are usually made of an assembly line. 8, remote control. Control of a system by electronic or mechanical means for a distance. For example, Josh got a remote control airplane for his birthday. Number 9, self-driving. Referring to a vehicle that can drive itself. For example, a self-driving car must be able to react to other traffic. Then, self-sufficient. Able to provide for our needs without depending on others. For example, you must be self-sufficient if you live in the wilderness. 11. Three-dimensional. Having or appearing to have three dimensions. For example, if you remember your science class, we can talk about the length, width, and height. Look at the example. The drawing looks three-dimensional. 12. World changing. That means causing an impact on the whole world. For example, the French Revolution was a world-changing event. Okay, now let's watch this video and answer the question below.
Better together through the stormy weather, the sun's gonna shine, everything will be fine. When you stand right beside me like a compass that'll guide me and point the way home, you know I never feel alone. Better together, you're my best friend. Better together till the end. Follow the compass. Follow.
Hello. So I'm here to discuss your interview with my dear friend, the technology expert.
Good afternoon, Trixie.
What was that?
Oh, that's Cherry.
Cherry, like the fruit?
No, CHAIREE. It stands for Computerized Humanoid Artificially Intelligent Rational Emotional Entity.
I couldn't possibly remember all of those long words.
Don't worry, Trixie. We'll repeat it every day, and you'll memorize it in no time.
Make it stop. I'm being driven crazy by a robot.
Actually, you can be driven by a robot. Check out Grandpa's self-driving car.
No. Humans are not meant to be driven by robots. If this happens in the future, all of the limousine drivers will go without jobs, and I really like my limousine driver.
Trixie, the loss of jobs for limo drivers cannot be predicted at this time.
I'm having a conversation with an AI. That's it. No more devices.
What's up?
Hey guys. Hey. Hi Trixie. You, all of you, find a way to interview Dr. Valenzuela without any devices. No laptops, no cell phones, and no GPSs. And it will be submitted to me on paper.
You mean with a pen?
In the bin, now. His address. That's all you get. I've got to go.
Have a nice day, Trixie.
And that thing better be turned off by the time I get back.
Pine Tree Road isn't on any of these maps. How are we going to find him without GPS?
Look, there's an old phone directory. Lee, that's genius.
Valenzuela Raul, 11 Pine Tree Road. That's him. 555-9873.
And check out this old phone.
Is that rotary? My grandma had one of them.
Don't worry, it's just made to look like an old phone. But Trixie won't know the difference. Hello? Dr. Valenzuela? This is Max from Follow the Compass Show. I'm putting you on speaker.
me the truth. You couldn't find him without your devices, could you? What? How did you do this?
Telephone directory. Rotary phone.
A rotary phone? Oh my!
Trixie, you should probably sit down.
Okay, now in your notebook, answer the questions. Number 1, why does Tracy confiscate the friend's devices? Number 2, what is Tracy's challenge? 3, how do they do it? Okay, well guys, that is all for today. Now for homework, you're gonna copy the list from your vocabulary 5 times each word. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.